Okay, I'm going to show you how to properly install the string sight. First thing you want to do is put it on the bowstring directly above the serving with the markers about a ½ inch apart. Once you do that, you want to wrap the tightening string around the metal pins. And after that, you want to pull the strings coming out of the sides of the markers to tighten them on the string. But when you do this, you want to make sure the string is on top of the markers like this. If it's off the sides like that, it won't tighten correctly. So just pull both sides. Okay, once you do that, you want to line the metal pins up so that all three of them will touch your nose at full draw. Once you think they're about right, you want to draw your bow back just to make sure they will. Now mine do. And just make sure you can touch all three of them comfortably. If you find that their markers are too low on the bowstring, you can just slide the string sight up, but just make sure that the markers are still a ½ inch apart, and try it again.